Hello Weekend Crafter, welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend I am making custom shaker keychains. If this is something that interests you, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. When I was much younger, I loved making miniature food, and going back to it was such a fun experience for me. For most of the sweet treats that I'll be making, I will be using a base of Sculpey Primo in butter yellow, mixed in with a bit of tan and a bit of brown. It's basically like making vanilla dough. The first dessert that I'll be making are chocolate chip cookies. Just make round balls of clay. Next, get some foil to texture your flattened ball. I also get my detail needle to add even more texture. Then, roll out a snake of brown clay and chop these into small bits to make chips. I sprinkled these chips on the cookies. Then we will need to add color to the cookie by brushing it with some mica to add depth. For the next sweet treat, again, we will need to roll out a small ball of clay. Then I get some medium grit sandpaper and added texture to the flattened ball. Then I added color to the edges of it. I flattened some colored clay into the number 7 setting. Then I punched a hole. I placed this on top of the flattened ball to be the icing on my donut. Then I made some very thin strands of brown clay and draped it onto the donut. Finally, I get a small straw and punched a hole on the center. For the third dessert, I am making biscuits. I used a silicone mold and pressed some pink clay into it. Then I shaved off the excess clay and carefully popped it out of the biscuit mold. I made 2 pieces, one for the top and one for the bottom. I punched a piece of brown clay to place between the 2 biscuits. Then I placed shading onto the edges for depth. And for the last piece of dessert, I just ran my clay into the number 3 setting. Then I cut the pieces to make a checkered board cookie. Finally, I used a medium grit sandpaper and textured this. So why am I making so many pieces of these? Well, it's because I recently bought a lot of shaker containers from Daiso. If you haven't watched my unboxing video yet, I'm leaving a link above. I attached this to a jump ring and then placed a keychain tag. And voila, I now have an assembled shaker keychain. I have to admit, this is sort of addicting to make. I started on the weekend, but I'm honestly not done yet because I keep on thinking of new things to make. I think this would be such a perfect summer activity for kids, too. Either make them the desserts or have them help you make the desserts. Then fill small sleeves to make shakers so that they can attach to their bags in peace. Have a crafty weekend! Bye!